Live once again mga ka-Ascenso diri sa Ascenso Covered Court. First Mayor Sami ko Ascenso Barangay Cup Urban Division Games. Barangay Dao versus Barangay Lumbia. Second game of the night para sa atong Urban Games. Saludsod. Missed Lapay with the rebound. Lapay strip from his hands. Traveling violation call against Lapay. Saludsod with the ball. Now Andale, corner 3. Miss. Gilyar with the rebound. Tutura. Balik kay Gilyar. Balik kay Tura. Wing 3. Bang! Pambungad na score para kay Tura for this game. Carpio to Saludsod. Corner 3. Missed. Agonia with the rebound. And he is fouled. I think this is the last game para sa Barangay Dao. And second to the last game para sa Barangay Lumbia. Lumbia will have their last game tomorrow night, 7:30 p.m. versus Barangay San Pedro. And then after that, we will be heading to our play-in period knockout system. So good luck sa mga match-ups sa ato ang play-in period. And congratulations sa mga nakasecure sa top spot sa ato ang Ascenso Barangay Cup. Fiel is fouled. Foul called against Saludsod. Ay, hulog na po ako sa cellphone. Shout out James Dablo. Thank you for watching. Ang Cesar Montano ng SBL, James Dablo. Fiel with the steal. Tura lays it up. Caberio. Tuluna. Saludsod. Fakes. Drives. Pull up jumper. Yes, sir. Nothing but the net by Saludsod. Now to Tura. Gilyar to Fiel. Inside Lapay. Mid-range shot is missed. Agonia tinapik. Bola mapuputas sa Barangay Lumbia. Saludsod. Outside Andale. Corner 3. Bang! Andale hits it from the corner for Barangay Lumbia. Fiel over Lapay. Mid-range shot, another miss. Mukhang hindi pa nag-iinit si Lapay sa mid-range. And Saludsod unable to save that ball. Seven to 6, 1-point lead. Barangay Lumbia. Fiel drives, bounce pass. Caritan is blocked by Luna. Pass break to Andale. And now Lapay to Fiel against Andale. Behind the back pass. Lapay pass intercepted by Caberio. Pass break para kay Andale. Muntikan pa, oh. Andale, easy score. And a timeout called by Barangay Dao.
This timeout reviewed by City Councilor Marcos Rivero Cero.
And back to our ball game from the timeout. 6-11 lamang ang Barangay Lumbia with 4 straight points para kay Andale. Fiel, spin move, runner off the glass, and it's good. Fast break para kay Andale. Attacking reverse is good. Gilyar. Over Tura. Now to Fiel. Bounce pass. Another steal for the orange shirts. Kasipong this time. Easy 2 for Kasipong. Ay, Kasipong Kabirio di ay. Sorry, call. Sorry, call. And Gilyar attacking. Outside Karitan. Inside. Nang likay pa o, mapay pasahan mo, likay pa yun. Ang uban, sige pangayag bola, di pasahan. Sa Luzon, Tessie, corner pass, corner 3, Andale missed. And now Gilyar, wing 3, short, Caberio with the rebound. Now sa Luzon, one-hander. Gilyar. Tura. Corner 3. Missed. Pass break na naman para kay Andale. Corner 3. And miss. Jimenez. To Gilyar. Fakes. Fires. And foul.
Lawson second personal foul. Second team foul. Two shots number 60, Kenya.
Gilyar, second throw. And it's good. Saludsod. Driving. Good defense by Balukan. Shot clock winding down with 5 seconds. Luna pull-up jumper. In and out. Gilyar with the rebound. Speeding, bounce pass, hindi nasalo ni Karitan, out of bounds. Caberio crosses over against Tura, nakalusot, outside pass, Saludsod for 3! And Balukan missing that layup. Caberio pass break. Lumabas pa. Andale with a save. Tries to fake that pass. Agonia. Aba, tumira ng 3. Mintes. Andale, supalpal from behind by Balukan. Saludsod. Bang! Hits a 3. Jimenez, bounce pass, Balukan, side step, supalpal ni Luna. What a defensive play there by Luna, second block of the night. And a timeout call by Barangay Lumbia, 23-9. Aninion to Delfin, short, gets his own rebound, follow up, miss, Giliar with the rebound, fast break para kay Fuentes, and yes sir! Uy, shout out Ronald Santiago. All the way from Caloocan. Saludsod comes up short. Lapay with the ball. Now to Fuentes. Fakes. Fires. No good. Caritan the follow-up and it's good. Go Lumbia. Takuloy. Wala pa sa Takuloy. Lingkod pa siguro sa Takuloy. Saludsod. Three-pointer again. Miss this time. Giliar with the rebound. Inside. Giliar, balik sa labas. Out of bounds. Oh, shout out kay Bryle Dave Bajo. Again, shout out kay Renajin Tuas Tumbad. Saludsod, no good. And the ball goes to Barangay Dao. Pass break to Fuentes. Hesi. Outside to Caritan. Lapay. Driving. Spin move. Falls away. Too strong. Tinapik ang bola. Goes to Fuentes. Steps back. Fakes now to Caritan for 3. Too strong again. Number 12 with the rebound. And Delfin passing it to the opponent. Lapay, one-hander miss, tinapik para kay Giliar sa gitna, binalik sa ilalim at kinapos sa oras. That ends our first quarter. 10-point lead for Barangay Lumbia. Shout out kay Ronald Santiago all the way from Caloocan City. Oh, shout out daw sa mga nurse. Wala, may nurse diri. From Lugas, Idol Masion, Christian Toledo, France, Angelo Luna. Second quarter. Lapay balik kay Fuentes. Tumira ng 3. Mintes. Aninion almost lost it. Aninion speeding. Driving from the lane. Gets his own rebound. Follow up is good by Aninion. Kabungkag now to Giliar. Inside feed, ganda ng pasa. King Kono fouls Caritan.
Foul number 6, first recall. First recall, Lumbia.
Caritan missing second throw. Lapay with the rebound outside. Balik kay Caritan driving. And a foul called against Delfin.
Foul number 5, first recall. Second team foul.
Giliar. Too strong for that pass. Stolen by Aninion. 2 against 2. Aninion all the way. And he is fouled.
Foul number 5, Whites. First recall. First team foul. Foul.
Aninyon missing his first throw. Uy, Vincent Magbuhos. Shout out. Aninyon. Second throw is good. Fuentes to Lapay. Cross court to Gilyar. Di makalusot. Good defense by Aninyon. Cross court naman. Fuentes. Rotating the ball. Tumira. And kinapos sa oras. Shot clock violation against Barangay Dao.
Violation. Shot position. Number 20 remains for number 40. Carrera.
Tura will check in for Barangay Dao. Jacinto and Gilyar. Delfin na bakante, kinapos. And the ball goes to Barangay Dao. Lumbia di ay, Lumbia. Too strong for that throw. Aninyon, jumper, miss. Tapikan ang bola. Gilyar with the rebound. Now to Jacinto. Jacinto lays it up. And yes, sir. Aninyon. Gustong bumawi. Supalpal ni number 22 of Barangay Dao. Tura. To Kabungkag. Yes, sir.
Number 20, 2 points.
Aninyon to Delfin. Inside number 17. Pull up jumper. Missed. Tinapik ni Masyon. Aninyon saves that ball. But stolen by Tura. Tura for 3. And too strong. Rebounded by number 17 of Barangay Lumbia. Dalar. Dalar na noon. Dular. Maestro JC. Shout out. O kay Reynon Alcantara.
Right. Look. His guidance.
Dalar naman noon. Dolar di ay.
He's closer. No, 30.
And back to our ball game. Gilyar, what an interception there by Caberio. Hinahabol ni Tura. Caberio, reverse layup is good. Jacinto, quick 3, miss. Dolar with the rebound. Dolar, in the lane. Miss, tinapik ang bola sa labas para ka Texon. 3-pointer, bang! Texon hits it from the wing. Gilyar tries to spin, stripped from his hands. Stolen by Caberio. 3 against 1. Caberio with a lefty. Timeout called Barangay Dao. 33-17. What a run here by Barangay Lumbia.
Barangay Dao warning for improper base decorum.
And back to our ball game. Ayun, may foul. Jimenez on the line. Missed. Karitan with the rebound. Nice pick. Gitna, no good. Dolar with the rebound. And there's a foul again. James Dablo. Mayang gabi. Kanimong tanan. Caberio, no look pass. Reverse layup naman. Alvin Anchola. Balukan. Nice pick. And a baseline jumper by number 20 of Barangay Dao. Kabungkag. Caberio to Texon. Corner 3. Kabungkag with the rebound. Now to Balukan against Caberio. Balukan hangs in the air. Tura is there to save the ball. Can't get it to go. Caberio with the rebound. Pass break para kay... Isa ba ni? Ayun, oh. Buleser. DJ Jabs in the house. Now Kabungkag. Tura, open 3. Bang! Second three-pointer of the night para kay Tura. Texon, nice fake. Dolar. Mintes. And now Balukan. Umatake. Yes, sir! Caberio crosses over against Balukan. Iwan. Caberio up and under. Mintes. Jimenez with a rebound. Fast break to Balukan again. 4 straight points para kay Balukan. Dolar, double crossover. Fakes. Another fake. No good. Ganda ng depensa ng Barangay Dao against Duran. And Balukan again with that 6 straight points. Pito na lang ang lamang ng Barangay Lumbia as Caberio tries to make a play. Driving. Corner pass. Texon. Bakante. Bang! As the shot clock expires, Texon hits at corner 3. Back to 10-point lead. Tura bumawi ng 3. Mintes. Kabungkag with the rebound. Fakes. Bounce pass. Karitan sa gitna. Mintes pa rin. Agawan ng bola. And the ball will remain in Barangay Dao. Three-man substitution for Barangay Lumbia. And now Kabungkag, bounce pass Kari, balik kay Kabungkag. Balukan open 3. Mintes, Luna with the rebound. Agonia hindi nakatingin. Stolen by Tura. Tura for 3. Mintes, Kabungkag with the rebound. Inside pass, intercepted by Luna. Pass break to Agonia and intercepted na naman by Balukan but out of bounds. Texon now to Agonia. Long two-pointer. Missed. Balukan.
Violation.
Oh, traveling. Travel daan ay ang bangga. Okay, travel daan ay ang bangga. Caberio. Offensive foul called against Luna.
Number 55. Luna. First foul.
Seconds to play. Balukan, nabitawan ang bola. 42 seconds left in the second quarter. 10-point lead for Barangay Lumbia. And now Tura. Missing that three-pointer, out of bounds. .30 seconds left. Caberio inside Agonia. Double team, spin move. Outside Andale. And he is fouled.
Foul number 20. Boca. First foul. Three foul. Push shots number 20. Julius Andale.
Andale hits his first throw. Second throw, no good. Carita with the rebound. Now to Balukan. 1 against 2. Balukan sidestep. Natapik ni Luna. But Jimenez is there to save the ball. Luna with his third block of the night. Pass break para kay Agonia. Sa ilalim. Yes, sir! Basket counts for Agonia as the game clock expires for our first half. Shout out daw sa iyang mga anak nga nagtan-aw karon og iyang asawa Orbel sa ludsod. Dula daw gyapon bisag hilanat. Murag Michael Jordan ba no? The flu game. Ay, sa ludsod this time. Third quarter. Saludsod. Missing the three. Fiel Tulapay. Pull up jumper from the baseline. No good. Saludsod with the rebound. Now to Luna. Balik kay Saludsod. To Aninyon. Inside Agonia. Luna. Corner 3 by Andale. Good ball movement for Barangay Lumbia. Shout out dekang Koy-Koy diha nga galantaw karon of Barangay Balangasan. Koy-Koy Fulyo. Tura for 3. Bang! Bumawi agad si Tura ng 3 para sa Barangay Dao. Aninyon. Now to Agonia. To Andale. Fakes. Drives. Jumper off the glass. It's good by Andale. Fiel to Tura. Almost lost it. And now Gilyar. Balik kay Tura. Another 3 from the same spot. Missed. Aninyon wins that rebound. To Andale. Yes, sir. Fiel. Offensive foul called against Fiel. Di gud mao ang bump. Offensive gito.
First foul.
Saludsod to Agonia. Over Aninyon. Fakes. Drives. Jumper. No good. And Gilyar unable to clip that ball for that rebound out of bounds. Pero shout out yung James Dablo. Andale. Inside pass. No looks. Luna bounce pass to Saludsod. Ayun. Di nakita. Fiel Tulapay. Fakes. Drives. Jumps. No good. Gets his own rebound. Second chance. Pasok para kay Lapay. Aninyon to Luna sa gitna, almost trip. Recovers the ball. Agonia. Low post. Pumps. Fires. And Agonia is fouled.
Foul number 7.
Pakohi-kahoy ra daw si James Dablo. Na, basta mga gwapo. Barangay Lumbia with an advantage for this ball game tonight. Advantage in the sense na dili lang sa score but also sa experience, no, in joining big leagues. So kabalo yun sila sa mga atik, especially na address sa Ludsod, Agonia, Andale. So karang mga atik diha sa ilalom, mga Witik Brownie diha nga blind spot para sa referee. Kabalo na gina sila unsaon. I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad man. Kay diskarte man na sa player. Ang basketball is diskarte ay magud na. You know, if their action gets into your head, mawala jud ka sa concentration o sa composure. So kung magpadala ka sa mga magpadala ka sa mga atik sa dula, mga painit sa ulo sa dula, na ginaingon, under your skin, pildi juga. Tura, 3-pointer, short, Balongkas is there, and it's good. Oy, shout out kay Coach Gimba of Barangay Banale. Aninyon behind his back, now to Andale, driving, no good, tapi ka ng bola sa Ludsod, wins at rebound. Ball will remain in Barangay Lumbia. Uy, shout out kay George. Papansin. Luna, pull up jumper. Nothing but the net by Luna. Uy, Castor. Picture na to. Sige. I-add ko, kaya i-upload na. I-send ako nimo. Gilyar. Fakes. And now, Balukan. Gilyar. No good. Shout out, Everhard Castor. Friends ta sa Facebook. I-PM rago ko kay Kuan. I-send ako nimo ang picture na to. Uy, may technical na tinawag. Technical foul for faking a foul para kay number 16, Gilyar. Tony Halover. Shout out, watching from Taguig City. Layo sila sa Balintawak. Versky Oriel, regards ko kang Sheyagal. Naka ito. Julia Carlo. Ma'am, bisa pagbasahon ako imong shoutout. Wadyo po ko kabalon sa ngalan nimo. Sayang kayo. Sa Ludsod. Shoutout kay Melody and Marites and all the PAW staff from Yamete Kudasai. Hey, Castor, sorry, friends, i-send ako ang picture. Ato to, selfie na to, no? Group fee, group fee. No, look pa. Ganda ng pasahan ng Barangay Dao. Five minutes left in the third quarter. Agonia over sa Ludsod. Almost stolen and stolen now. This time by Tura. Lays it up all the way. Mintes ang layup. Kabungka gets the rebound. Karitan sa ilalim. Hindi nabutan ni Luna pero may foul.
Foul number Lona. Sega personal foul. Sega big foul.
And now to Andale, balik kay sa Ludsod. Jumper. Smooth move there by sa Ludsod. Balukan naman ngayon against Aninyon. Hinahamon ni Aninyon si Balukan. Tura, off balance shot, muntikan pa. Karitan is there, falls away. Yes sir! Karitan, off balance shot naman. Andale, up and under, outside pass, stolen by Balukan. Speeding his move. Lays it up, basket, at may kasamang foul against Luna.
Foul number Lona. Third personal foul. Third big foul. Lona. One shots for number 7. Lona.
Uy, hindoy. Nga talag sara mo sulod. Karitan. Balukan. Mid-range. Bang!
Balukan.
Andale. To Saludsod. Double team. Over Gikongko. Jumper. Mintes. Agonia with the rebound. Ayun, foul. Basket will not count, pero wala pa rin basket.
Foul number 20. Boca State at first foul. 3 foul.
Lapay! At napatawag ng timeout ang Barangay Lumbia. Saludsod. Jumper, no good. Karitan, tinapik ang kamay. Unsa mo nga? Puluyagan, okay.
Williams, 3.
Balik sa 10 ang labang ng Barangay Lumbia. Balukan! Iwan ang kalaban pero mintis ang layup. Agonia, what a good ball defense by Agonia. Lisod dito Ilogon.
Foul number 20. 3 minutes. First foul. 3 foul.
Andale to Agonia, double team. Low post, Umararo. Tapos, no good. No foul called. Lapay, nabitawan ang bola. Agonia naman ngayon. Waiting for his teammate. Double team. Over Andale. Drives. Pulls up. Jumper. Short. Kabongkag with the rebound. Now to Lapay. 1 against 2. Lapay. Ball strip from his hands. There's a foul.
Foul number 60. Strawberry. First foul. 3 foul.
Lapay, second chance is good. 8-point lead, Barangay Lumbia. Cabero, what a crossover. Driving, outside, Saludsod. Fakes, drives, passing into Agonia, Umararo. And a foul is called against Karitan.
Foul number 40. First foul.
Penalty situation for Barangay Dao. Shout out kay Kimson. Renji Kimson. Margisugda na daw to ang jersey ni mo Kimson. Akuan na lang tong ipakuan. Priority na lang bahalag isa. Agonia, second throw is good. Balik sa 10 ang lamang ng Barangay Lumbia. 56 seconds left in the third quarter. Balukan to Karitan. Balik kay Balukan sa labas. Driving, sidestep. Ayun. May tuhod na extension.
Good. Personal foul. Freedom.
Ugma, Puloyagan. Yeah, I think ako gyapon commentator ugma. Puloyagan versus Bugo. Ako lagi. Oh, ako ugma, Castor. Balukan missed the second throw. Karitan. Balik kay Balukan ang bola. Now to Lapay. 30 seconds left. Offensive foul called against Lapay.
Number 7. Straight up personal foul.
.33 seconds left. Now Saludsod. Jumper, stops and fires. No good. Tapikan ang bola. Karitan with the ball. And nakuha ni Caberio. All the way. No good. Hekoko with the rebound. Saludsod missing that reverse. Kabungkag. Lapay. Bang! Buzzer beater 3 for Lapay. As the third quarter ends for Barangay Dao. 62-56. Lumbia is still on the lead.
Vice player. Outward going by the Ring Curve Raptors.
Ha? Isang minute. Kaon man siguro to. Ana ba kaon? Oh. Uy, Jason Sumoso, buhay ka pa pala. Nagtanaw live via Asenso Sports Channel. Dr. Vapors. Fourth quarter, mga ka-Asenso. Kabungkag, bounce pass to Balukan. Lapay, what a nice fake. And yes, sir! Andale. Guarded by Balukan. Good screen by Luna. Nakalusot si Andale. Corner pass. Saludsod. In and out. And now Balukan recovers the ball. Lapay. To Balukan. Wing 3. Mintes. Turnover for Barangay Bao. Barangay Dao. .62-58. Apat na lang ang lamang ng Lumbia. Andale. Driving. Outside pass to Caberio. To sa ludsod, kinapos sa oras, shot clock violation called against Barangay Lumbia. Pagkakataon na ng Barangay Dao para makahabol. Will they cut the lead to 2 or 1? Karitan. Ooh! Missed pass. Kabungkag was not ready for that pass. And Lumbia will try to extend their lead. Agonia. Jumper. No good. Karitan with the ball. Now to Balukan. 2 against 3. Balukan, Hesi. Spin. Fires. Miss. Lapay wins that rebound against Agonia. And a follow-up is good by Lapay. Dalawa na lang ang labang ng Barangay Lumbia. Luna extends it to 4. Lapay. Hesi. Forced shot. Missed. Jimenez. Second chance, no good. Andale. Now to Caberio. Nag-iisa. Easy 2 para kay Caberio. The lead now extended to 6. 60-66 with 7 minutes and 5 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Balukan is fouled.
Substitution.
Balukan will sit on the bench. Will be replaced by Gilyar. And now Jimenez. Balik kay Gilyar. Passing it to nobody. Now Saludsod against Gilyar. Saludsod all the way! Kabungkag, fakes, bounce pass, Karitan sa ilalim. Yes, sir! Bili ng sapatos. Andale. 6-point lead, Barangay Lumbia. Saludsod, Baranay Scott. Inside, Agonia. Good move there by Agonia. Dako lang yun si Agonia. O sakto yun siyang power against ato nga player. Kisa to natumba. That was a good move. Inside. Corner, Gilyar. Lapay fades away against Agonia. Balik sa 6 ang lamang ng Barangay Lumbia. Andale. Bang! 3-pointer by Andale, extending their lead to 9. Gilyar making a play. Now to Lapay. Balik kay Gilyar. 9-second shot clock. Gilyar pulls up jumper. Miss. Saludsod with the rebound to Agonia. Agonia. And yes sir. Wala lang yun ni Ambak. Guya gina ni mga bataan niya. Gilyar to Karitan. Open 3. Mintes. Agonia no nungog pa mangligo ng dagat og mao. (75-64) timeout called by Barangay Dao. 4 minutes and 43 seconds left in the fourth quarter. This timeout, mga ka-Asenso, is brought to us by City Councilor Marjorie Revelocero. Back to our ball game from the timeout. Andale. To Caberio. Faking. Corner pass. Saludsod. Bang! Isa na namang tres para kay Saludsod. Gihilantan pa na. Tura. Long three. Miss. Saludsod with the rebound. Katorse puntos. Saludsod. What a nice look by Saludsod. And a foul call against Tura. Kinahanglan yung may mag lips to lips pero may tiyanay akong mic ba kay muhinay man siya og layo gamay sa kong baba. May gani kaya ako rin mo gamit ani. Gamit pas Patrick ato, ano gyud? Delikado. (80-64). Unti-unting lumalayo ang Barangay Lumbia. Gilyar, nice hustle defense by Luna. Lapay, ball strip from his hands by Saludsod. Muna ginaingon, nasakpan ra yun. And Agonia. Dangerous magug kay ni mga pull-up jumper ni Lapay good. Dili nimo matimingan ang jumper ni Lapay. Igo gyud na from the mid-range. Andale! Isa pang tres! Oy, shout out kay Raima. Naha-Jay mo. Snap pa. Snap ang Disney Princess. Ayan. Tura. Delfin, Tura steals from behind pero lumagpas. Muna, di juga pwede ma-Disney Princess Raima kay isog man kay ka. Lapay. And stolen by Luna. Delfin, tuanin yon. Easy two. Ayan na, lumalayo na ang Barangay Lumbia. At masyadong napalakas. Napangiti na lang si Balukan. Bantay diha, J-Sam. Awayon yung Ray Magyod. Awayon ka sa Disney Princess. (87-64). 23 puntos. Last 2 minutes mga ka-asenso. Anin yun! Basket at may kasama pang foul. Aninyon missing that free throw. Lapay with a rebound. Coast to coast, missed. Dolar. Tumira ng 3. Mintes, Jacinto gets it. Pass break to Lapay. Fakes, fires, miss. Another rebound by Dolar. Now to Aninyon. Behind the back pass, Delfin. Baseline shot is good. Under a minute to play of the 4th period, Jacinto fakes pa and lays it up. Aninyon, Tuging Kono. All the way, yes sir. And Lumbia. And Lumbia wins the ball game for tonight. Congratulations. 93-66. This has been your commentator, Gab. Mayong gabi kaninyong tanan mga ka-Asenso. And see you tomorrow.
This gives Grove New Mayor Strong, our split